everyone, and I am back with another video. Yes, another. Still at my 0 views. I'm hoping to get a view sometime. I hope someone will subscribe soon. Well, yeah, let's get right into the video, which it's amazing. You guys are gonna love it. So yeah, there are a couple things that are pretty cool that I like that I made myself. I have no clue where these things are, so we are going to make them again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some really cool fidgets that will take away all your anxiety at school. You can use them for school, you can hide them under your desk, your teachers will not notice. So let's get straight into the video. These only require household items that probably every single person has in the universe. Everyone has them laying around somewhere. Well, we're going to show you guys to do something cool with them. So, up first, yes, this box contains the ingredients for the first one. Paper clips. That's all you need. Tons and tons of paper clips. Everyone has tons of them. It's weird. Everyone has so much. Now, I'm going to show you how to do something really cool with them. Make the biggest chain possible. So you just take 2 paper clips and this little thing right here, clip it on like that. Easy, right? Now do that 100 more times, like this. And yeah, I'm gonna do that 100 million more times, and I'll be here. You can see, there's 2. Nope. There is a lot. So, yeah. Now that you've done that 100 million more times, I realized something. You cannot have them like this. Or like this. You cannot have this thing bending out because that'll just ruin it. It won't work anymore. So, now that you've got this chain thing, 100 million paper clips, now all you want to do is hook these together. Alright, so now, you see, you have this demon thing. Now, you can do anything you want with it. You jiggle it, makes a cool sound. You can kind of like shape it to a heart or anything. You can do anything with it. It's really cool. See, like this. It's really cool. Oh, see, it came out. That's why you don't want that to happen. You do not want anything bad to happen to this because it's your value. It's like your life right now. My dog just broke into my room. Barely get out. Get out. Not allowed. There's. Bye. Alright. We're back in time. So, yes, that is the first one. On to the second. You can see we're done with the first one. But the second one's a little more complicated because you have 2 ingredients this time. You have rubber bands and popsicle sticks, as you can see. Just so rubber bands and popsicle sticks. Do something called. You need 3 popsicle sticks, like so. As you can see, I have 3 popsicle sticks. These 3. You're going to want to put them into an X. But you need another one right here. So you have two, one line, 2 and 1, and just one right here. Now, how is this going to work? How is this going to stay? Well, I have the solution. You take your rubber band and you put it like this. And then loop it, pull it, loop it again, loop it again. And you can loop it again if you want. If you want it super secure. Like this. They kind of got chopsticks. A person. Yeah, kind of needs a person. Now, you're going to want to do that to the other side. There. There. And there. It's kind of hard. Now, to get this to stop from falling, to get this, all I need to do is use rubber bands. Yeah, it's simple as that. That. You're gonna want to be careful because rubber bands do hurt. Like that. And like that. Alright, so you're gonna want to do that to both sides. Just like I did. Like that. So now, no noise, you hear? Let's put it close up to the microphone. Can you hear it? Is it loud? No. It probably is from the mic, but that doesn't matter. So here we have it. Here it is. So you can twist it, do anything. Sorry, my camera just froze. Alright, you can twist it, you can do anything with it, you can squeeze it. And boom. There you have your tea. Your tea will be used for a lot of things. For drinking, for spelling out letters, numbers. No, this is not that. This is Fidget toy tea. I just call it tea. Because it looks like scissors. It's kind of cool. You can really do anything with it. It's really cool, actually. So yeah, that's the second one. Yeah. So that's the second thing. Tea. So for this one, my camera, my goodness, keeps freezing. This one, you're gonna need 2 Nerf darts. I call this one the squisher because the Nerf darts are gonna be used. You need a Mega and an Elite. This one's kind of more like for boys because boys love Nerf guns and war and stuff like that. You're gonna need 2 Nerf darts. You need both of these. This one's really easy. See this hole? The Nerf dart goes in. It's super easy. Super cheap. Oh my goodness. So yeah, here at this end, you can kind of push it in, and then kind of push it to the table to get it out. And yeah, then you push it back in. You can squeeze this foam stuff in this top. You can squeeze and push. It's pretty cool. It's pretty easy too. This one's probably the easiest one. So yeah, let's rank these from A to C. C being the best. The chain, I give a C. The squisher, I give a B. And my favorite one, the T, because it's so cool. And the thing about these is you made it. You didn't buy it from an Amazon. You didn't buy it from eBay. You didn't bet on FanDuel Sportsbook to get it. And yeah, I love this the most because it took the longest to do, and that's just the most satisfying feeling ever. If something takes really long and you finally finish it, it's like the best feeling. And it's really cool. So yeah. Hope these will work for you. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a great winter and have a nice day.